I can't see.
I can't see shit. I can't see shit. Get back in the light, nigga. Get back in the light.
Ooh, Matt. Look. Come on, man. Hey, man, can y'all get back in the light for real?
I can't see.
I mean, y'all say you want this video and shit.
Yeah, and I really can't see shit.
Do I have a damn flash real quick?
I don't even see his flash.
Alright, I don't think you can get a flash with video camera. Hit him! Will, get out of here! Get the fuck out of here! Yo! Fuck off of him! James, stop choking him, dog!
James!
Yo, off of him! Fuck off of him! Will, or not. Look at the fucking fight! Don't choke him out, guy.
Don't choke him out.
Because that's going to get them to jump in, which is going to get me to jump in.
If y'all gonna fight, it's only you two.
You let it go. I'm getting when my hand gets better.
Come on, guy. It's going to be the same motherfucking thing. Just another fucking night.